Hello guys, welcome back. So as we already completed our first 6 challenges, let's take up our 7th challenge now, which is create wind fields on a code line. So once if you launch your playground, let's go to our object manager. So in quick find, search for code, and here click on code line followed by fields and relationship followed by new. So here we are going to create a pick list. So for that, just scroll down and choose pick list followed by next, and let's copy our field label now, which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. So for values, click on enter values with each value separated by a new line, and now copy these two values and paste it over here and click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So again we are going to create another pick list. So scroll down and choose this pick list, and now click on next. Let's copy our field label, so which is given right over here. So just copy this and paste it over here. And for values, we are going to choose enter values with each value separated by a new line, and now copy all of these values and paste it over here. So now choose next followed by next followed by save and new. So now we are going to create text data. So just choose text followed by next. Let's copy your label, which is given right over here as engraving. Copy this and paste it over here. So once if it is done, give 100 value for length, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. So now we are going to create another pick list. Let's copy our pick list label, scroll down, choose pick list, click on next. Let's paste our field label right over here, and now click on next followed by. So before that, let's choose outlet standard right over here as well, and now click on next as it is mandatory field, followed by next followed by save and new. And let's go for one more pick list as well. So let's copy our field label and scroll down, choose pick list followed by next, and paste field label right over here, and choose enter values with each value separated by a new line. Copy the values and paste it over here, and now click on next followed by next followed by save and new. Again we are going to create one more pick list. Let's copy our label, scroll down and choose pick list followed by next. Just paste the field label and choose enter values with each value separated by a new line, and just copy all of these and go back and paste it over here. So once if it is done, click on next followed by next followed by save. And guys, now let's go to our app launcher and click on Salesforce CPQ so that you will get this page. So here in global search, I'm just going to search for a code line. So try QL followed by slash followed by 4 zeros at the end 1. So if you are not getting, so guys, this is basically a quote line record. So if you need any detailed video about this, I'll make it in a separate video. So this is basically not involved in our challenge, so we can ignore this. This is just for testing purpose. So now if you are coming back down, let's go back to this page, and here just click on products and click smartwatch, and now click related tab. So here if you scroll down, you will find size right over here. Just click on the scroll drop down and click on edit. So here we are going to check apply to product options, and now click on save. So again click on smartwatch by clicking on product, click on smartwatch. So go to related. So now we are going to choose outlet standard. Just click on drop down followed by edit and check this apply to product options, and now click on save. So this is all about this challenge. Let's go back and click on verify step. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our 7th challenge as well. So final challenge, which is 8th challenge, will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.